Ratios of fractions may completely look different, but somehow they are equal. So how do we find the missing number x in the ratio or fractions here? And since they are equal, this concept is known as proportions, which we discussed in our previous video. Hi everyone, welcome to Eazee Math, and in today's video we will find what is this missing value x. So let's get started. In this ratio 3:5 and x is to 20, we learned that 3:5 can be written as 3/5 is equal to x divided by 20. Ratios can be written in terms of fractions. Now our job is to find x. To be able to find x, I will cross multiply this proportion. So 20 times 3 will be equal to x times 5, or I can also say 60 is equals to 5x. Now in this step I will divide both the sides by 5. I will get 60 divided by 5 is 12 and 5 divided by 5 is 1. Hence I get x as 12. X is equals to 12. When two ratios or fractions are equal, they are known as proportions, and in this proportion again I have to find the missing number x. So let's cross multiply. I will get a 7x is equals to 21 times 4. Now to be able to find x, I have to make it as the subject of the equation. Making the subject of the equation means I should have only x this side. So I will divide by 7 on both the sides. I will get x is equals to 7 times 1 is 7, 7 times 3 is 21, 3 times 4 is 12. My answer would be 12. Whenever you see a proportion question, remember to convert the ratios into fractions, cross multiply, and then make the unknown variable x, y, or whatever variable you have in your questions as the subject of that equation, and then solve that variable. So the steps are simple: cross multiply, simplify, and solve. Ta-da! You can now pause the video, solve this question, and mention your answers in the comment. That's it for this video. Meet you in the next video. Wish you the best.